Hello, today I'll be showing you how to add a extension to your gdevelop project. Click here, rename this to something you want, like hello. Click the edit button, add a new function, choose an action, condition, or expression, or one of these. Action. Condition or an expression. Blah blah. Just type all the stuff in, then just add parameters, do that, then do the object groups. Same goes for all the other ones. Then click Ctrl S, and it should work. Thanks for watching.